Hello, and welcome to another telekinesis video. Today, I'm going to answer a few questions you asked me under the first Telekinesis Day challenge. First comment. Lucy says, I have an investment idea for those who need it. If you have enough money, buy a garage, not a flat. Basically, what this person tries to say is, in order to make some passive income, you can buy a garage and rent it out. It's a great idea. Passive income is a great way to make money, and you still have enough time to focus on other important things. Friends, family, and telekinesis. Sahum 2019 says, be productive, not lazy. Be responsible, not irresponsible. I have found it is about perspective as well. If you shift your perspective to the point you already have what you want, even though you don't physically see it, it's called faith. It's a very motivational comment. I really recommend going back to the video and reading that. Yashwant Parishar asks, Hi, I have a question. What do you eat? Vegan or not vegan? I personally do not eat vegan. I think that meat and eggs are a very important part of our diet. I think, in my opinion, we humans, we are not made to be vegan. We're supposed to eat meat. Not only, but in a healthy amount. One person says, I don't have anyone to talk to. You have us. At the very least, you have us. And if you hear that person who phrased this comment, be sure and never forget, you're never alone. You're part of this family now. Hank said, I just felt so good just by listening to you, Guru. I think I'll learn it. I'm confident. Hank, I'm confident too that you're gonna be able to do telekinesis one day. Just have faith. Daisy Hero Dev says, Please Guru, can you tell me one thing? Can I learn telekinesis together with astral travel? If you understand, please reply. Astral travel and telekinesis are two very different subjects. You can learn both, but in separate times. Farhan Al-Haverdi says, Sorry, can you talk about masturbation and an effect on doing telekinesis? Yes, I can. It's very important that you are not addicted to masturbation. I have been a victim myself, and I know many others who just do it too much. They do it so often out of boredom, out of depression. And if you're one of those people, you need to learn to control it. You need to decide when to do it. Don't let your body decide. Lily and Aiden says, Can my friends be online? I have only one friend at school. I want you to make real friends in the real world. It's nice to have people to talk to online, on the smartphones, on the computers. But it distracts us from the real world. I want you to find true friends in the real world. You can do it. Infinite Sundari says, how is your precision in doing telekinesis? My precision is getting better. There's different exercises you can do to improve your precision. But I made videos on that. If you're interested in that, you can look at those videos. Horror Schwartz Films says, hi Guru, I have a favor to ask you. Since I can't understand English very much, since I would love to learn telekinesis and you are very good, can you also add the Italian language, please? Thank you so much if you do. I've said it before. To learn telekinesis, you have to train your mind. And learning a new language like English is going to improve it. It's going to help you learn telekinesis. So no, I'm not going to add any subtitles. You can learn English. For everybody out there who has trouble learning English, you can do it. English is not my first language either. But if I did telekinesis videos in my mother language, not many people would understand it. Only 10,000 people in the world speak my mother language. I'm not going to say what it is. It's a very small country. Eco Nightmare says, okay Guru, I'm so excited for tomorrow's video and I'll go sweep the floor now. This is an excellent idea. I'm grateful that you listened and take it into practice. Keep your homes clean. Harsh Shandy says, when I ate 1 meal a day for 4 days, I fell down because of weakness and I am healthy. I eat 3 meals a day now. You fell down out of weakness because you are addicted to food. Just like any other addiction, in the beginning when you stop, you feel weak first. When you are an alcoholic and you stop drinking alcohol, you also get headaches and feel weak. When you are addicted to caffeine and you stop drinking coffee, at first you're gonna feel sick and weak as well. Same thing goes to food. First, you're gonna feel weak, but in the long term, you feel better and stronger. I promise. Genter BG says, Guru, do waterfall on the head can clear your mind? Please answer this. So, I assume you're talking about a shower. And having a noise in the background or having water falling on your head, it can distract us from unimportant thoughts, yes. But in the end, you have to be able to learn to focus by yourself without any help, like water. Sand says, well, I'm not old enough for work. I have to go to school. And of course, if you are a student, if you go to school, nothing is more important than your education. The tip with the money goes towards the people who are grown up, who make money, who need to make money, who are worried about bills. These people need to worry about it, not you. You just worry about your education. Sexagix Cutie says, beware of little expenses. A small leak can sink a great ship. Benjamin Franklin. So save money, and money will save you. Have a good day. It's an excellent advice. Aziz says, I have to find a job, and I agree. Go ahead, find a job, make your money, and feel free. Knowledge Industry asks, Guru, what is the color of your head hair? I'm blonde. I have a blonde reddish beard. That's it. Those were the most important questions. Soon I'm gonna upload the next video for our 1-week telekinesis challenge. And if you have any questions, you can ask them there. Thank you so much for watching, and have an excellent day.